Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're like me, then having a place to set your phone in your car definitely is one way to feel awesome and incredible. That's why I love Scotia's magnetic phone holder. It securely holds my phone, allows me to have my pop socket so I don't have to change a thing. And this is Apple MagSafe compatible. However, I have an Android that's heavy duty and bulky and it holds it perfectly. I just attach the magic ring adapter to my case. It comes with the vent mount adapter as well, which is really cool and is secure on my vent. This is heavy duty. This works so great. And it's a wonderful way to just feel organized. I like that it's simple to install, simple to change out the back clip on the vent mount or the dash mount. And the dash mount is nice because it bends nicely onto the surface. So if it's not flat, no problem. The adhesive sticks so nicely. There's a place to plug in your phone charger to make sure there's room while you're installing it. And think of all of the bells and whistles that you'll need. It rotates 360 degrees and then you can secure it into place. The adhesive works so well. I have another one and it's still in place from 2 years ago. Here's the magic ring adapter and it's easy to put on place on my phone holder. This is a real game changer and the little things bring a lot of joy.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.